What if I told you that the story of artificial intelligence began not with machines, but with a question? Around the mid 1950s, a single question ignited a quest that would reshape the world. This is the complete story of artificial intelligence from the very first idea to the tools that changed everything. In 1950, British mathematician Alan Turing asked, "Can machines think?" His paper and the later Turing test introduced a new perspective on whether a computation could be equivalent to the human mind. In 1956, at the Dartmouth Summer Research Project, a group of pioneers gathered and gave this field a name: artificial intelligence. The early optimism of the era led researchers to build symbolic systems rule-based programs that tried to imitate reasoning. But progress came slower than promised. Many systems required hand-coded rules and enormous amounts of knowledge engineering. As expectations collided with reality, funding decreased, and the field entered its first AI winter, a period marked by reduced optimism and limited resources. In the 1980s, expert systems programs that encoded specialist knowledge revived commercial interest and investment in AI. However, these systems also had limitations: fragile knowledge in databases and high maintenance costs. By the late 1980s, enthusiasm and funding once again declined, leading to a second AI winter. The 1990s and 2000s witnessed a different kind of revolution: more data, cheaper hardware, and improved algorithms. Perhaps this time AI could avoid another winter. Statistical machine learning began to replace rigid rule-based systems. In 1997, IBM's Deep Blue defeated world chess champion Garry Kasparov, a symbolic milestone showing that machines could master certain areas of human expertise. Over time, neural networks regained popularity as massive datasets and powerful GPUs became available. In 2012, deep learning shattered all expectations. Convolutional neural networks, CNNs, won the ImageNet competition, revolutionizing image recognition. Suddenly, speech recognition, translation, and vision systems became usable in the real world, powering smartphones, digital assistants, and autonomous vehicle research. Artificial intelligence had now stepped out of the lab and into our daily lives. Then came the transformer models. Introduced in 2017, these models could process language at scale and with remarkable accuracy. This made massive pre-trained models possible: BERT for understanding, GPT for text generation. These models blurred the boundaries. AI could now write essays, create art, and even suggest code. Generative AI brought both opportunities and controversies. When powerful models became publicly accessible, new questions emerged. Who controls this data? How will we deal with bias, misinformation, and job displacement? Governments, companies, and researchers began debating regulation, transparency, and safety, arguing that as technology grows, it must remain controlled and ethical. From a single question to global systems that write, see, and decide, this story is far from over. The history of artificial intelligence is a cycle of hope, setback, and reinvention. At this point in time, one thing is certain: the decisions we make now will echo into the future.